Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can withdraw your MemeFi token immediately after launching. So guys, now it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your MemeFi wallet, and for you to do that, you have to tap on the wallet icon on the right hand side. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my MemeFi wallet has opened up. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the withdrawal icon. You can see where it is written withdrawal, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, withdraw ETH, which is withdraw Ethereum. You can see they're asking you to provide the wallet address. So guys, what you have to do now is to provide the wallet address that you want to withdraw this money into. So if you're withdrawing from your MemeFi wallet, you have to send it to another wallet. You have to send it to another wallet or exchange where you can sell the token that you've mined. So guys, now what you have to do now is to get the wallet address that you want to send this Ethereum to, and make sure the address is an Ethereum address, and also most importantly, make sure the network of the Ethereum is linear. Make sure it is linear. Make sure it is linear Ethereum. So guys, after you're done copying it, what you have to do is to paste it right there. You can see where it is written enter wallet address. And also guys, in case you're wondering where you can get this address from, you can get it in any of your exchange, any exchange that you're using, such as your OKX. You can get it from OKX, you can get it from Bybit. So what you have to do is to go over to these exchanges and copy the address. Once you copy the Ethereum address, make sure the network is linear. Then come over here and paste it. Once you paste it there, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written withdraw. Once you tap on withdraw, then the Ethereum from this your MemeFi wallet will be transferred into your exchange, which is your Bybit account or your OKX account or any other exchange that you're using. So guys, that's how it can be done. So guys, there's something important I missed. You can see where it is written amount. You have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send to the other of your wallet, to the other of your exchange wallet. You can see there, enter amount. So you can decide to enter an amount, or you can decide to send all your Ethereum from this MemeFi wallet to the other wallet. You can see where it is written max. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you tap on max, you'll be able to impute all your Ethereum that is inside your MemeFi wallet. You'll be able to impute it there by tapping on max. So guys, after that, you can see this notification right there. You can see where it is written, make sure you withdraw your tokens to the correct address and network. And you can see that the network there is linear. So guys, like I said, make sure the network of the Ethereum address that you're copying and pasting here is linear. Make sure it's linear. Once it's linear, then you have no problem. You're not going to lose your token or your fund. So guys, that's how it's done. So guys, after all these are done, then you have to tap on withdraw. And also guys, in case you don't know how to copy your Ethereum address with the linear network on OKX or Bybit, I'll be making a video on that in my next video. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I upload videos like that. I'll make videos on how you can copy your Ethereum address from Bybit and also from OKX and any other platform that enters my mind. So guys, that's how I'm going to do it. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that would tremendously help grow this channel. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.